Hi everyone, welcome to my channel once again. So for today's look, I got the inspiration from TikTok again, from Lily Rose. So she did this very beautiful blue eyeshadow look that I loved so much and I felt inspired by it, and I decided to create it for you guys. I actually asked her permission to recreate her look and she graciously allowed me to recreate it. Shout out to Lily Rose. So yeah, that is the look I'm going to be doing for you guys today. So if you want to watch me transform my look, keep on watching and don't forget to like, subscribe and leave your comments on my channel. And yeah, let's begin. So for my transition shade, I'll be applying this brown eyeshadow from the Zulu palette by Juvias, please. And I'll be applying it all over my crease area. So the next eyeshadow I'm going to be applying is Delta, which is this kind of electric blue shade. But before I apply it, I'm going to first apply this Juvia's Place I Prep I Prime eyeshadow because I want it to be very pigmented. I don't want to apply it on its own to my eyelids just like that. Next, I'm going to be applying Lagos. My light is too bright. I don't know if you guys can see it. This is the Culture 2 palette, by the way, from Juvia's Place. And I'm going to be placing Lagos in the center of my eyes. And as usual, I'm going to wet my brush since it's a shimmer shade. So looking at my eyes, I feel like the eyeshadow that I have is kind of darker and more pigmented than what Lily Rose had in her TikTok video. This is quite darker. Hers is a bit lighter, like a lighter shade of blue and all that. But then I don't mind. I think the eye work is going pretty well. I love it so far. So yeah, may not look exactly the same, but it's still gorgeous at the same time. So I'm going to go to the rest of the face. I'm going to be applying 3 different concealers like I've done in my previous videos. Go check them out. So I'm not really going to be talking so much. All the products that I used as usual are in my description box so that you guys can go and check it. So let's start. for my waterline, I'm going to be applying this Maybelline Tattoo Studio Gel Liner. This is a blue eyeliner, so I just wanted it to kind of match the blue eyeshadow. I'm looking for the pack so that I can get the exact name, but anyway, I'm going to put the name in the description box. Okay, I finally found it. The name is Striking Navy and the number is 920. So for blush, I'm going to be applying this blush. This is the Blush Rouge Volume 3 from Juvia's Place, and I'm applying this particular one. For my highlights, I'm going to be applying Soft Pearl and Bellini. Next, I'm going to line my lips with my Scorpio lip liner from Juvia's Place. Then for lip gloss, I'm going to be applying Mero. This is from the Nubian Earth Lip Reflective Gloss from Juvia's Place. So guys, this is the finished look. Hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. I thoroughly enjoyed myself while filming this look, and I hope this look serves you in some way. I hope you get to recreate it, and yeah, I'm very happy with the way this look turned out. I love it so much, although it's slightly different from what Lily Rose had on her TikTok page, but then I don't care. I'm loving this look so much. I love it so much, and I hope you love it as well. So guys, yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys keep up with me, and yeah, check me out on my next video. Bye.